Is Judge Sanders a boy or a girl? What?
I'm not sure.
Huh?
That's her.
She's the judge?
Yeah.
On the evening of December 6th, 2025, two police officers in Hernando, Mississippi were conducting a routine traffic stop. They had just pulled over a white Cadillac Escalade that had driven into the grass, blocked both lanes of traffic, and was being operated by someone who clearly should not have been behind the wheel. It was a standard stop, the kind these officers had done hundreds of times. But this time, when one officer stepped away from the vehicle and ran the driver's information, something happened that changed the entire tone of the encounter. That's her. She's the judge. A pause. Then, oh shoot. And then, the question that would define this entire case and ignite a national conversation about who the law really applies to.
Officer Hernandez.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you? I pulled you over because you drove into the grass on the She wasn't paying attention. You stopped in the right car. So you stopped in the...
Get out of my driveway.
Yeah, you stopped in the middle of the road and then drove into us.
I said, there's a squad car. And she went, okay.
Yeah, and then you drove into the grass.
Here's my license.
Okay.
Thank you, honey.
Yes, ma'am. Do you have your insurance?
I do. Let me find it.
Can you put your car in park? You're in reverse. Where y'all heading?
We're going to a party, and we're late, so we're all like, ugh. And I told her coming over to her house, they got Elm Street blocked off, and then I went down to 2nd Street, it's blocked off, and I had to back all the way down.
The body cam footage begins with an officer observing a white Cadillac Escalade pulling out of a driveway on West Valley Street in Hernando. What happens next is not what a sober driver does.
Down the street to get to her
Oh,
house.
Lord.
I mean, it's low.
Did y'all pregame at your house?
No.
No? Have you had anything to drink today?
I managed.
Okay. Have you had anything to drink today, ma'am?
No, ma'am.
Nothing?
No, ma'am.
Okay. If I had an officer come out and do a PBT, would you consent to taking a PBT?
Absolutely.
Okay. Did you have your insurance?
I'm looking for it.
Oh, okay.
It's probably on my phone.
That's okay. Give me 1 second while you look for that.
Sure.
Or, yeah, that's fine. 123 to 152. Can you make sense? Is Judge Sanders a boy or a girl? What?
I'm not sure.
Huh?
That's her.
She's the judge?
Yeah.
Is it pointless protesting?
The Escalade comes to a complete stop in the middle of the road, facing north, blocking both lanes of travel. Then, the driver attempts to turn right. But instead of staying on the road, the vehicle drives directly into the grass.
123 Mississippi deal. Should I just let it go?
123.
Huh? I can't hear you.
Get away from me.
Why? My nose is puffed up. You're crushing.
Hello.
Hey, how are you?
that's a good thing about Yep, so just praise the silver for keep going. Let's try that again, folks. Keep going.
The officer notes glassy eyes. She detects the smell of alcohol. She asks Sanders if she's had anything to drink. Sanders tells her she had one drink at noon. It is now 6 o'clock in the evening. 6 hours between that one drink and this traffic stop. If that were true, her blood alcohol would have been at 0 long ago. It was not at 0.
Make sure you're fully capable of driving.
No, I'm good. So when I pulled out, I had my foot on the brake, I pulled out of the driveway, and so I didn't realize I didn't have my foot all the way down the brake, so I couldn't move it. And I turned on to the step.
So jump to alcoholized income.
I just said, "Bar."
12 o'clock. That's it. Just hang tight for a minute.
We should probably get her.
Go ahead.
Hey, ma'am, can you help out for me real quick? Oh, that's a cute outfit. You can walk that way. We're kind of on a slant over here. Sure, walk that way. Right here? Have a seat right there, so we're not in the road. Okay. All right, give me just 1 second.
Karen Sanders is not a minor figure in DeSoto County, Mississippi. She is the District 5 Justice Court Judge. She has held that position for 26 years since 1999. She is the senior judge who oversees Dewey prosecutions in her district. She is put into a patrol vehicle and transported to the Hernando Police Department for processing, and then she is booked into the DeSoto County Jail. Her information was entered into the system, and then within 33 minutes of being booked, a Hernando City judge released her on her own recognizance. No bond, no bail, no money exchange. She walked out the door in under an hour. Total time in custody, 33 minutes. To understand why 33 minutes matters, you need to understand what happens to everyone else. When a normal citizen in DeSoto County is arrested for a first offense Dewey, they are booked into the same jail. They sit. They wait. They might wait hours for a bond hearing. They might post a bond of $500 or $1,000. Some cannot afford it and spend the night or the weekend behind bars. Karen Sanders has been wielding that power for more than a quarter of a century. She is up for re-election in 2027, and as of December 6, 2025, she is also a defendant, charged with driving under the influence, first offense, and careless driving. The same charges she has sentenced other people for thousands of times from the other side of the bench. And for 33 minutes, the woman who judges drunk drivers was one of them. The only question left is whether the system she has served for 26 years will treat her the way she has treated everyone else, or whether the answer to that officer's question was right all along. Was it pointless? You decide.